Welcome. In front of me is an HTC U24 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings and then scroll down to System, and then scroll down again and select Reset Options. And here you'll find Erase All Data Factory Reset at the bottom, and when you click on it, it gives you a list of data that will be removed by this process. Now, some of the more important things that is listed here are things like music, photos, and user data. These are kind of data that are more unique to each user, and you probably might want to back it up before you go any further. Otherwise, this will be removed and it cannot be undone. So assuming you have already backed up your device or you just really don't want to, you can select Erase All Data here. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it, and then select Erase All Data second time. This will now begin factory resetting your device and will take about 2 minutes to finish up, give or take a minute. And once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.